Now, the first thing we see when we look at our tool panel on the left side of the screen is what we call the Move tool. Now, this tool doesn't look like much, but this is pretty much what enables us to do anything basic in the program. For example, if we want to move any objects, images, or paths back into place, this tool needs to be selected. One handy feature of this tool is that if you decide to move a text box, you can do that. But then if you notice something that needs to change inside the text box, you can just double click inside it and the Move tool will convert to the Text tool. And this same principle applies to many objects. If we have vectors within our document and you select the object once, it isolates the shape. If that shape has been drawn or converted to curves and you double click again, you'll see the nodes on that particular shape and you can adjust accordingly. So those are the basics of the Move tool and how necessary of a tool it really is. To learn more about Affinity Publisher, check out my course in the link below the video.